mechanical engineering jobs are one of the most lucrative and highly paying fields in India. Moreover, the mechanical engineering jobs are expected to grow from 9% to 11% by the year 2026. This has made the branch one of the top choices for the students who are pursuing engineering. The rising demand of mechanical engineering is because of its application across various fields. So, in this today's session, let us try to explore those fields where the mechanical engineering is having a significant scope and the highly paying job opportunities. Let us start with number one, that is robotics engineering. India's robotics industry is growing very fast, rapidly, and the robotics engineers are essential in various sectors, including the manufacturing, healthcare, as well as the agriculture. And robotics engineer in India works on automating the manufacturing processes to improve the efficiency and the quality. Moreover, the health care sector in India is adopting the robotics for the surgery, rehabilitation, as well as patient care. And the India's agriculture industry is a very significant contributor to the Indian economy, and nowadays robotics engineers are getting involved in developing the agricultural robots for harvesting and the crop monitoring. And startups and the innovations also focus on the robotics and automation. So robotics engineering is having a bright scope for the mechanical engineering students. Number two, let us talk about the aerospace engineering. India's aerospace industry is primarily driven by Indian Space Research Organization ISRO and Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, that is HAL. And India's ISRO has a remarkable journey in space exploration like Chandrayaan, Mangalyaan, and Aditya L1 mission. And the aerospace engineers are contributing to the spacecraft design, missile planning, as well as the launch vehicle development. Also, the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited HAL is a key player in aircraft manufacturing, and aerospace engineers are involved in the designing and the developing the military as well as civilian aircraft. Also, private aerospace companies are also growing in India, creating the opportunities for the aerospace engineers in areas like satellite manufacturing as well as space tourism. Aerospace engineers are also involved in research and development type of work to improve the aerodynamics, propulsive system, as well as the materials which are used in aviation and space exploration. Now let us talk about the third field, which is again very important, having the significant scope for mechanical engineering, that is petroleum engineering. India's energy needs are substantial, and petroleum engineering are very crucial. Petroleum engineers are very crucial in the exploration and production of the oil and the gas reserves. India is having both onshore as well as offshore gas reserves, oil and gas reserves, and petroleum engineer work on the exploration as well as the drilling projects, often in collaboration with the international oil companies. India is also having substantial refining and petrochemical industries. So these petroleum engineers are also involved in the refining process, optimizing the production, and ensuring the safety and the environmental compliance. As the world is moving towards the renewable sources of energy, so petroleum engineers also work on the projects related to the clean energy technologies as well as the carbon capture and their storage. Many multinational oil field services companies are also operating in India, providing the opportunities to these petroleum engineers to work on the projects related to the well drilling, reservoir management, as well as their maintenance. So these are the various fields where a petroleum engineer can have a bright career. So let us talk about the next growing field, which is for mechanical engineering, that is nuclear engineer. India is having the significant nuclear energy programs, making the nuclear energy very, very important in country's energy sector as well as the scientific research. India operates several nuclear power plants, and nuclear engineers are responsible for their design, their maintenance, as well as the safety, which ensures the safe handling as well as the disposal of those radioactive materials. So nuclear engineering is one of the bright and most looked after career opportunity for the mechanical engineers. Let us move to the next career opportunity for mechanical engineers, that is automotive engineering. India is one of the largest manufacturer for the passenger vehicles as well as the two-wheelers, and automotive engineers work on the designing and improvement of these vehicles, including the aspects like fuel efficiency, safety, as well as emission. You must be knowing that there is a growing demand, or there is a huge growth in the electric vehicles. So there is a significant demand for these automotive engineers which are specializing in the electric vehicle design, battery technologies, and charging infrastructure development. Also, India's government has launched initiatives to promote these electric vehicles and reducing the emission. So automotive engineers are often working in collaboration with the government agencies on the policies making as well as the compliance. So many global automotive companies have their research and development centers in India, and these engineers, automotive engineers, have opportunities to work on the cutting edge technologies and global vehicle platform. So these are the most preferred career opportunities for the mechanical engineers. I have talked about the robotics engineering, I have talked about the Aerospace Engineering, Petroleum Engineering, Nuclear Engineering, and Automotive Engineers. So you can explore these career opportunities to have a bright future and the highly paying jobs. So thank you for watching this video. Do like and subscribe our BYJU'S YouTube channel. See you in the next such informative video. Thanks and Jai Hind.